If your Steam Tools game is showing cloud status, unable to sync, don't worry. Here are the fastest ways to fix it. First, open Steam, click Steam, then Settings, and go to Cloud. Turn off Enable Steam Cloud. Next, open the Downloads tab and click Clear Download Cache. Confirm it, then restart Steam and check if the problem is fixed. If the issue is still there, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and temporarily turn off real-time protection. Now download and install Cloudflare WARP 1.1.1.1 from the link in the description. Open it and click Connect. After that, search for PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Now copy the first PowerShell command from the pinned comment, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. This will update the Lua Tools automatically and restart Steam. If the issue still isn't fixed, copy the second command from the pinned comment, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. Once the process is complete, restart Steam and your unable to sync error should be resolved. That's it for this video. If it helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Steam and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lives.